Welcome to the MELD Smart Contract Security Audit conducted by AuditOne. MELD is a non-custodial DeFi protocol that bridges the gap between traditional finance and decentralized finance, offering secure and efficient cross-chain lending, borrowing, and staking services. The platform supports 6 leading blockchains: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Avalanche, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain, enabling seamless asset management. MELD smart contracts were audited between May 1 and July 2, 2024 by 0x Rizwan, Armed Goose, and Min Kwan Im. The audit finished with the following scores: security score, 95.6%, documentation quality, 92%, code quality, 97%. The following findings were reported to the client. The attacker could indefinitely lock a user's MELD Banker NFT if the user owns more than one NFT. To address this, add a check to ensure that the token ID is the same if a user is already using the MELD Banker benefit. Function setStakeAmount does not correctly update min staked amount per epoch for the current epoch. When setting a new stake amount, update the current epoch value globalinfo.min-staked-amount per epoch based on stakers.min-staked-amount per epoch. Unrestricted on-behalf of actions allow griefing of users. To mitigate this, consider implementing an allow list of users. Depositing on behalf of should be explicitly permitted by the target address instead of being allowed publicly. Function execute flash loan does not call update interest rates after returning the flash loan. Call update interest rates function. Function's flash loan could drain a receiver that has approved the pool. Adding check to ensure receivers have given caller permission to do flash loan on behalf of them. Potentially using the token allowance to ensure receiver has approved caller to spend the premium amount. Update state should be called first when executing actions. Consider calling the function update state first. Supra Oracle price feeds return stale prices due to longer max price age. Consider using max price age as 10 minutes in Supra Oracle adapter.sol to align more closely with the Supra's update frequency. Users cannot repay debt when the protocol is paused. Remove when not paused from repay to allow users to repay their debts anytime. Depositing on behalf can influence target user collateral status without their consent. Consider allowing on behalf of only for users who are allowed to do so by target address. Liquidation call fails to check the collateral to release MELD Banker NFT. Add logic to unlock the MELD Banker NFT when the liquidated collateral equals the user balance. In mtoken.sol, EIP 712 chain ID is hard-coded, which can cause replay attacks in case of hard fork. It is recommended to adhere to the best practices of the EIP 712 implementation. To avoid this issue, the domain separator should be dynamically calculated using the chainid opcode each time it is requested. It is highly recommended to check OpenZeppelin's EIP 712.sol for correct implementation. AuditOne is excited to have significantly upgraded the security of MELD smart contracts. MELD has successfully fixed all the issues our audit team identified. Discover more by reading our comprehensive report. For additional information, visit our website or follow us on social media. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.